How to get Telegram stars for free. Now, if you want to customize your Telegram account, stars is necessary in order to do so. Now, to get them for free, you want to make sure that your application is up to date. So you can just navigate through the App Store or Google Play Store, and from here, you want to search Telegram. Once inside, you can then go ahead and update the application from here. Right after that, go ahead and click on Open. Go ahead and click on your account settings. And once inside, you specifically want to scroll all the way down, and from here, you can then go ahead and see an option called My Stars. You can then go ahead and see your balance. And to get them for free, you want to click on the Earn Stars button. From here, you will go ahead and get the affiliate program, earn a commission each time a user who first access a mini app through your referral link spends stars within it. And so, to go ahead and get started, you want to go ahead and click on a specific program, click on Join Program, and from here, you can then go ahead and click on your affiliate link. And so if someone accesses a mini app through your referral link, you will go ahead and get free stars. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.